Hello everyone, I just wanted to make a quick review of this amazing, one of my favorite yarns, Alize Puffy. So here I'm holding Alize color one, but it comes in all different colors, like for example like these that I have in handy. If you use this yarn, you don't need a crochet hook or knitting needles because you are going to hand knit, and I'll show you how to do that. So you already have a pre-made loops here. So what are you going to do is just pull through these loops by hand. It is especially good for little ones, just to practice their fine motor skills, and for the elderly people. Like for example, my mom likes to help me out just doing this kind of motions. It helps her to exercise her arthritis hands. So yeah, and that's it. Here you have a foundation chain, and then you would go just round and round until you have your desired length and width of your project.